Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, doing another online interview today. I've got Manish from Melbourne. 8 each in his PT exam, that too in a short period of time. Congratulations, Manish. Very well done.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
I remember I got your text on public holiday during the Easter holidays that you just missed by 1 point and you want to take the exam as soon as possible. Manish, being an online student, how was the experience? Because normally we feel a bit reluctant when it comes to online classes, right? But you still went on for it. How was your experience, and what do you think was the key factor which helped you to get the score in the short period of time?
Sir, I personally felt online classes are very handy. You can just sit at home, relax, and just go through the classes and practice whenever you need. So, when it comes to offline or any campus classes, like you'll have to go there, you'll have to organize your schedule and all. It'll be a bit hectic. You have to work for part-time jobs and many things, study
Yes.
assignments, and then go again and study for PT. It'll be a bit hard.
Hmm.
I felt like it's better to go with online. Uh,
Hmm.
yes, sir.
So basically, you had that flexibility and that pleasure that yes, you can practice anytime, get the feedback anytime. Um,
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Manish, you were struggling a bit in reading. I guess you were finding it hard. What do you think is important for reading? Because a lot of students out there they struggle a bit in reading. What are your tips and advice on that?
So to be honest, there's nothing much we can do in reading, sir. Like we have to learn about some grammatical rules,
Hmm.
some grammatical strategies we can stick on to. But
Hmm.
at the end of the day, you need to have the reading, the thing in your capacity, sir. So
Yes.
you have to keep practicing, a lot. I personally felt reading is very tough of all the
Hmm.
modules. I don't
Yes.
know
Yes.
why. Uh,
Because there are no shortcuts in there.
yeah, sir.
Hmm.
No strategies and no nothing much you can do. You have to keep practicing. So that's it, sir.
That's right, but yes, it's very important that you focus on the grammatical rules and strategies which you have been taught in the class. That is something which will come handy whenever the situation gets tougher. And again, make sure you practice as much as on portal. You have practiced. You have taken a lot of mock tests. I even checked few of your mock tests towards the end of towards the when you were about to go for the exam. How important are mock tests, and how did the portal help you prepare for the exam?
So mock tests are really very crucial, sir. So only when you're practicing and giving your mock test, you'll get to know how where you're standing. You'll get to know where your scores are. You'll get to know how you have to on which module you have to keep on practicing more and more. It's very important. With Language Academy, AI is very what do you say perfect. You get all the scores of same the quality of PT
Hmm.
exam, academic exam. So
So
I
basically,
so
yes, go on.
yeah. So basically, you have to keep giving mock tests. That's the major part. How much ever you're practicing without knowing where you stand, there's
Hmm.
no point of practicing and going for the test directly.
Yes. So it's very, very important, very well said. Because when we practice, we are in a different state of mind. But when you take the mock test, you are in a completely different state of mind. You are nervous, panic a bit, and then you tend to make mistakes even in the easier parts. So very important before you go for the exam. Yes, practice is important, but after practicing, you need to make sure you take as many mock tests, see the scorecard, see the feedback, discuss the feedback with the tutor, see what areas you need to work on, and work on the same, turn your weakness into strength, and then go for the exam. That is what Manish did and got his 8 each in a very short period of time. Any final piece of advice for students out there in Melbourne, in other parts of Australia, where we don't have physical center? Any advice for them? What they should do, what they shouldn't do if they're preparing for the exam? Doesn't matter if they're taking coaching or not. Any advice from your personal experience, please?
So keep practicing all the modules. So you get to know which are where you're lacking. Build on those first, and then I personally recommend you to go with coaching because you don't want to waste money. You don't want to keep on giving attempts and wasting your precious time here. So you
Hmm.
better go with coaching first. Learn the strategies. Keep practicing. Give mock tests and I personally felt LA is very best for this. You guys are giving good feedback. It's very handy, you know.
And thanks for that, Manish. What I take out of Manish's journey is that Manish was consistent. He was attending the classes. Plus, on top of that, he was in touch with the tutor. Was taking mock tests. Mock test is the key when it comes to mock test and mock tests, which are AI scored. You get instant feedback and analysis on what are the things you're messing out. You are making mistakes in. Work on the same, and once you work, you overcome the weakness. Turn that in your strength, go for the exam, and you are going to get your desired score as well. Congratulations once again, and all the very best for your naughty nomination.
Thank you so much, sir.
That's it from this video, guys. Make sure you keep on practicing. Register on languageacademy.com.au and crack your PT exam in the first go. Thanks, guys.